What's this?
Your new assignment.
Thanks. I don't think you want me in charge of my own unit. I'm a good analyst and all, but I've never been good at managing people.
You're not being rewarded, dipshit. You're being shelved. It's an underfunded, under-resourced, chicken shit anti-terror unit, with no hope of achieving anything much. But it's off the books. The minister told the commissioner to set up some units off the books. It's a bad idea, but like with all public servants, we're at the mercy of the minister's whims. It's hoped that by putting you in command, timid, effectual turd that you are, we will limit the amount of damage an unsupervised ASA unit can cause. If you're doing your job right, I'll never hear of you again.
Ineffectual turd. I'll show you.